Hey guys, Dsg Unc here. Fireworks. We don't got this here. And we got 6 foot feeders, but you can't see because it's so dark outside. And yeah, so the fireworks. Basically, we contacted our local cricket club, and we've asked them, seeing that we won our last Dsg Unc game, please can we have a big firework display to celebrate our win? And they said, yeah, you know what? We'll put on the biggest, brightest, loudest display you'll ever see. So stay tuned. Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Whoa!
All for DSG, this is.
Yeah. 1-3-2. This is our celebration. 3-2, guys. Hope you enjoy.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa. That's where they're going to kiss.